Hello, I'm Faria. My research interest is in computer graphics, geometry processing, and their application in virtual reality and interactive systems. One of my recent research is on embodied programming, where we want to close the gap between embodied and symbolic cognition. Our system allows users to perform mathematical operations directly on top of sketches and other metadata. Geometry processing plays a key role in optimizing many computer graphics applications. In SGI, I learned how to implement these efficient algorithms specifically for shape correspondence and optimal transfer. Currently, I'm working on developing an algorithm that can change objects' geometric properties such as shape, texture in real time. By doing so, we aim to reduce visual clutter in a VR environment. My past research experience has helped me mature as a researcher, and I look forward to continuing these works. I will apply for PhD this year and would love to chat about new opportunities. Thank you.